Welcome students, this is the learning how to draw class. I am Swapan. Today's video is specially for BFA students. Here we will learn composition fundamentals and we will discuss about the composition. So friends, today we will learn how to draw a composition through gesture process. So let's focus on the main work. Here we will draw a composition with two girls and ducks. They are sitting beside a pond and enjoying the nature. At first we will draw the gesture drawing of this composition very lightly to arrange the composition properly. So our gesture drawing is completed now. Come to the detailing. For the detailing we will follow the gesture drawing properly. After lots of practice, you can draw this type of figurative composition very easily. So our first figure is completed now. Come to the second figure. Following the same process, we will complete the second figure. Just because of the gesture drawing, we can draw the composition very casually. Now detail the dresses with the drapery. So our figure drawings are completed now. Come to the background. At first we will complete the gesture drawing, then complete the detailing. Here also we will draw the ducks very lightly, then complete the detailing. Now complete the landscape behind the pond. Here we can see some trees and bushes. Also draw the land in this way. So friends, our whole composition drawing is completed. I'm sure that you can draw this drawing very easily. Just follow the process and the gesture drawing. For the color, you have to watch our next video in this channel. So friends, if you like this video, subscribe our channel. Hit the like button and share it with your friends. Good luck to you all. Stay safe and be happy. Thank you and bye-bye.